Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your pre-departure checklist with international students step by step clearly. The first step is to research your destination country. Understand the cultural norms, climate, and local laws. Make a list of necessary documents you'll need to bring. This typically includes your passport, visa, and acceptance letter. Next, arrange your finances. Open an international bank account if necessary. Consider how you will handle daily expenses and emergencies. Then, check your health insurance coverage. Ensure that you are covered for the duration of your stay abroad. Gather your academic materials. Pack your school supplies, textbooks, and any relevant documents. Create a packing list of personal items. Include clothing suitable for your destination's climate. Make travel arrangements. Book your flight and confirm transportation to your account. Contact your future school regarding orientation and housing details. Ensure you have contact information for emergency services in your new location. Prepare your travel itinerary. Share your itinerary with family and friends for safety. Lastly, schedule a pre-departure meeting with other international students. This will help you connect and ease any anxiety before your journey. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition as you prepare for your adventure abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.